Hey guys, this is Aaron and this is For the Love of Tech, and you are here because you love technology as much as I do. What we're doing today is something that I said I previously wasn't going to do, but I am. So if you've been watching the channel and following my progress as I merge into the world of Samsung, you know I just unboxed and started using the Samsung Galaxy Watch. Here it is. I've got a problem with this. Major problem. Set timer for 15 minutes.
Install timer on gear and then try again.
Install timer on gear and then try again. I try to install timer on gear and it won't install. So I said to myself, well, this is a big old pile of doo-doo. I said I wasn't going to venture over to the Samsung Active Watch because I'm not very active. But maybe this new watch has a timer on it, and I use the timer for all sorts of things. And I know you're thinking, Aaron, it's so silly. You want a new smartwatch because it doesn't have a timer? The answer is yes. I can't even get the timer to install from the Galaxy Store onto my S10, which then flows onto my watch. What I get is an error message that says, store is not available for your device. Very weird. Samsung needs to fix it. If you're watching this, Samsung, please step up and put the timer back on your store. But in the meantime, we're going to dig into the Samsung Galaxy Active Watch. It just came out literally this week. It became available at Best Buy. You can order from the Samsung store. It takes a few extra days to get to it. If you're special, you got a unit sent to you ahead of time. I'm not that special, so I have to go buy my stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look and see if there's actually a timer on this thing. If you're here looking for a full fitness review of this watch, this isn't that video. I apologize. I will put a link in the description to a video that I've watched that is an amazing review on all of the fitness features of this watch. We're doing an unboxing and just looking at the basic functionality of it and a slight comparison to this watch. So without further ado, let's get to it. As with most unboxings, we start with our dangerous blade. Couple thoughts right out the gate. Good job, Samsung, on your packaging. You kept it minimal. You put everything we needed in there. I really appreciate it. You made phenomenal use of the space. I mean, to take this and turn it into the little thing that the watch actually wraps around is pretty smart, pretty ingenious, something that we definitely would expect from the likes of Samsung or Apple, maybe not Google, but definitely Samsung or Apple. So big thumbs up there, guys, big thumbs up. Let's go ahead, dig into this, get it powered up and see if it has a timer. So we've got two buttons and I don't recall any instructions. No paperwork, nothing. So we're kind of just pressing buttons and seeing what happens. So here we go. Samsung Galaxy Active Watch. So quick thing to mention, I don't believe that this Samsung Active has a speaker, which means that you can't make or receive calls. You're very dependent upon haptic feedback for your notification system, which I'm kind of eager to try out and to see how that works. I keep my watch on silent anyways, and I only use haptic feedback, and I just wonder how it compares to the Galaxy Watch at this point. So let's go ahead and get it started. And it even says right here, really clever and everything, it says let's go. So let's go ahead and go. It came up right away, like immediately on my phone, like, hey, there's a Galaxy Active Watch, do you want to connect it? Yeah, I think I do. So that was some oh my, tap to connect. Okay, that was an aggressive haptic feedback. Finish pairing that quick, guys. You saw it here. It was intuitive, it was quick, it was easy, it was simple. I loved it. Now it wants to teach me how to use it, so pretty normal. Congrats on your new Active Galaxy Watch. you're all set. Enjoy your watch. Let's go ahead and take this guy off and put the new guy on. Nothing wrong with it. It didn't have timer, and that bothered me. As you can see, looking at my big hand with this itty bitty little screen compared to this, it's almost like which one looks better on my wrist is the question, right? Which one fits my body style, my personality? I don't know. I think the Galaxy Watch is still kind of in there for me. So out of the box, we had about a 10-minute update, which is like pretty aggressive. Pretty long time to update right out of the box. When you unbox something, when you open up your new toy, your new addition to your life, you just want to use it. You don't want to update it. All right, so take a look around. Let's go ahead and swipe to the left to see your widgets. So swipe to the right to see your watch face. For notifications, swipe right. No notifications, press back to go back on every page. Press the home key to find your apps, and almost there, open the quick panel by swiping down. So this is very similar to my Galaxy Watch. So touch the screen with your palm to turn it off. Okay, so that's it. That's how you do it. It's a good feature if you're in the movie theater. All done. Enjoy your watch. So I wonder if I push and hold this, if it's going to give me the Bixby. Wants me to agree to Bixby. Hi, Bixby. Set timer for 20 minutes. Install the timer and try again. Download the apps on your phone. Okay. You take them to the store. All right. The phone doesn't support the Galaxy Store. This is a major issue with Samsung at the moment. And this is one of the reasons why I wanted to do this video, was to show you guys that I'm not crazy. You can't even set a timer on the Galaxy Watch or even the Galaxy Active. It tells you to install the timer from the Galaxy Store, and I do. And then the Galaxy Store tells me it doesn't support my device, which is Samsung's latest and greatest flagship phone. This, guys, is a problem. So that's where we are. I am still going to wear this watch. I'm still going to have fun with it. I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to test it out. I'm going to even get a little bit sporty and active with it. I am. And then I'm going to tell you guys how I think it compares to the Galaxy Watch and what I think the comparison between the two is, because right now I haven't had a chance to use it, so I can only bring you a first impressions and unboxing. What I can share just from this is it feels much lighter and thinner on the wrist, and I really like that. Really like that. Big thumbs up, Samsung. It is nice, stylish, sleek. I think this is going to be a big giant win for Samsung. Thanks for watching the video. If you really like what you saw here today, please consider hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget the notification bell. Ding! If you really like what you saw here today, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. If you hated this video and you're like, I can't stand the sight of his face, please go ahead and just give me a thumbs down and go about your business. You don't got to leave a nasty comment in the descriptions, but if you do, I will reply back. For the Love of Tech is always doing another giveaway. If you want the complete details about the upcoming giveaway, go down to the description. There's a special Twitter link just for you. Click on that link, go to my pinned comments, and there's a special surprise waiting for you. For the Love of Tech, thanks for watching. Namaste.